we are learning how to create blocks. You go to the Insert tab in Autocad and then you click Create Block. It would ask you to specify a name for your block. So let's say we are doing that for a 2-seater sofa or a single sofa. So we call it single sofa. You type it in. You can describe it. You can, let's say, state the length and breadth, or width of sofa. Whatever you want to say about it. You select the objects, you enter. You can see the preview over here. Please make sure that your block unit matches with the unit of your drawings, and please make sure it is at convert to block. You say OK. You specify insertion base point. Click anywhere on this screen and then you have it created for you. So now it acts as one object instead of it acting as fragmented or in pieces. You do the same. You can create a block for your bed. We can also create a block for our WC. So let's do that for the WC. Instead of going back to create block, you can simply type in block. It would open up for you. So you can name it WC, right? Or water closet, whichever one that you want to name it. I already have a water closet created and a WC created, so I'll probably call mine WC1, and then I select the object, I enter, and then I say OK. Specify insertion base point. You click wherever. So we have our block created for us. It's very easy. You can also create a block for your kitchen sink, for your doors and double doors. It's all about them acting as one object so that you can easily pick it up, or you can easily copy it and then paste it into your plan. If you want to edit the block, you click on the block. It would so you go to edit block, you click on it. It would open for you. This is what I just created. So you say OK. So let's say we don't want this thing here, we delete it. We don't want this thing here, we delete it. Or we want to change something about this thing, we want to delete these ones. And then you go to save block. So you save it, you can close the block editor, and then you have it this way. It's pretty simple. Let's do the same for the door, and let's see. You create it for the door. If it's, let's say, a 900 mm door, it becomes very easy for you. So let's call this single swing, let's say single door. You can describe it, can give a description. Let's say 900 mm single swing door. You say OK. No objects have been selected, so we need to select objects. You select them, you enter. You can see the preview here. You say OK. You specify insertion point, and this has been created for you. You can just copy it into your plan, and then you can easily use it. You can also just copy your WC, you can easily use it. So please do same for your other furniture that you created, not the ones in your plan at the moment, but the furniture that you've already created. Thank you.